Hi guys, it's Dimo from Evangel. Nice to meet you again. Today I'm gonna show you XCMG skate scale loader. Let's go. Now in front of us is XCMG XC740K. Look at this bucket. The bucket capacity is 0.45 cubic meters. The loader capacity is 715 kilograms and the operating weight is 3,114 kilograms. The engine brand is Chinese Xinchai and the rated power is 16.1 kilowatt, where you can choose fork, closed sweeper and braking hammer according to your working condition. The cab features large space, adjustable seats and comfortable options. The ROPS FOPS cab and the seat belt, bumper, fuel extinguisher and safety hammer equipped guarantee the personal safety of the operator. The rear hood and up hood can be opened conveniently, and all units and pipelines are easily accessible to save the repair and maintenance labor and time. So that's all about the machine. I have to say this machine is very attractive. Hope this video can help you to feel its charm. If you also like this, just contact me. This is Dimo. Looking forward to your inquiry and see you. Bye.